Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. So we will present about our stock investment report in week 11. So before we start the presentation, let me introduce our group member. The first one is Dinara Safina, Raihana Abdita, me, Sarah Lina Isra, and Filda Wasnul Katimah. Okay, so about the transaction will be presented by Hana. To Hana, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. Okay, on this slide, I will explain all the transactions made during the investment period. So the first transaction happened on Friday, uh, 31 October 2025. This is the initial capital. Each person contribute 50,000 rupiah. And because our group has 4 people, so the total capital become 200,000 rupiah. And the next on Friday, still on Friday, 31 October 2025, we made our first purchase, which is by Pipa at the price of 300. We bought 3 lots, and the total amount spent was 90.135. And on the same day, we also bought another stock. We buy Jazz at the price of 103, and we purchased 6 lots with total 61.893. And the last transaction on this slide happened on Saturday in 16 November 2025. We bought Gia at the price of 116, and we bought 2 lots, and so the total amount is 23.234. So overall, these are the transaction record for for weeks 10 and 11. That's all from me. I'm back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Raihana. So the next is about why we buy these stocks will be presented by Filda. To Filda, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I want to explain about why we buy GAA in this week because we think the price is going up slow and safely, not jumping fast. The chart show in the healthy uptrend, so it's good for our small capital. The Ireland industry is also busy and the at year. So Garuda usually gets more passengers, even if the chart look a bit red right now, but we try to bank it. And this past few days, GAA has been rising. Before the holiday season, passengers usually increase, so the stock can get support. The price may not go up, but we want to cope in it when the timing is right. So and meanwhile, the Pipa and Jazz haven't show any risk this week, and their price keep going down, and the trading volume is small. So this week we focus on GAA and look for better stock. While the Pipa and Jazz we just hold until the trend become the clearer. Okay, that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Filda. So the next material is about the portfolio in the 16th November will be presented by Dinara. To Dinara, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. So I will explain about portfolio in 16 November. So in this week, we are still holding at Pipa and Just share because their movements have not shown any improvement because both are still trending downward. So we have to decide not to add our position for now while we waiting for a clearer momentum. Meanwhile, we are placing a buy order for GA GIAA because its price pattern that more stable and upward movement appears healthy. So GIAA currently has the greater change to moving upward compared to PIPA and Just Share. So this week we are focusing on opening new position in GIAA. So I think that's all from me. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Dinara. So the last material is about the analysis for this week and next week will be presented by me. So this week's portfolio shows that Jazz and Pipa are still in a weak pace, so we have decided to hold both while waiting for stronger movements. Meanwhile, we are directing our available funds to open new positions in GIAA because its momentum is more stable, its upward pattern is healthier, and it is currently in the process of being ordered at what we consider to be in the most ideal price. Okay, so I think that's all from me, and thank you for your participation, guys. And I'm sorry if there is any mistake from our group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.